Hello everyone, this is TimeQuest Lab, and today I want to show you our walkthrough of our escape room called Asylum. So as you can see, players started that kind of shorts, so I will try to get it off. It was a simple level for me. So the demonstration of our electronic for that escape room. So first, administrator push the button start, system ready, begin, yes. And at that moment music starts, so our game started. Players started the first room, patient's room, so it's like in white and blue colors. So there are a few puzzles here, I will show you them now. So the first puzzle is that kind of a hanger. There are 4 hooks here, and the players get the info that they have to somehow pull them at the one time. So I will try to do it like on my own, but it's kind of hard to do. Yeah, I did it. So the first lock opens, like from the next puzzle. So the second puzzle, they get the patient's diary, our main character, patient from that asylum, and they get the information from there that his birthday at the 5th of November. So if I'll put it like any other combination, it won't work, so I have to just pick the right ones. 0 here and 5 here, and our second lock opened. So what's the next? Yeah, the next puzzle is about this TV, so we just need to turn the electricity on, and video started. These are just a small video with Richard Nixon, so there is info and clues for our players here, so they will use it like later. So then, and the final puzzle at this first room is that they found this key in that room and they have to open this electric shield. There are a lot of switches here. There are orange ones and this gray one. So, and you can see that here is the ventilator. There are a lot of symbols here, and actually these symbols are just zodiac signs, and these exact symbols are drawn here. So this switch, the gray one, is for our ventilator, so I just turn it on. Our ventilator starts. And they actually find in that room that kind of a flashlight. It's not just a simple flashlight. This is a strobe flashlight, but you couldn't see it like with your eyes, just maybe on the camera. So there are brains here in this flashlight. We provide 2 of these flashlights with this set of electronics, and the cool thing is that then you use it for this ventilator, then you try to light it some points, nothing happens, but at one point here, because of this is a strobe, our picture, I will call it picture, just stops, and we could see 3 of the symbols. You'll see it on this video here near. So, and these 3 symbols, I will try to remember them. The second one, the 5th one, and the 7th one. So I will just show you that if we will use like any other combination, nothing happens. Actually, these switches are at the final, these puzzle. If we will use the right combination, there are lamps on the ceiling, and some of them should be turned off if we use the right combination. In our demonstration, we use just this small light. It will turn it off if we'll use the right one. So even if we will choose the 3 right symbols, but there will be the wrong ones, nothing happens. And after I will use the exact 3, so I will turn off the other switches. You could see that switch just turned off. So the right combination we get from this puzzle. a pretty cool one. So from all that puzzles we get the part of the code, parts of the code, we get the whole code, and we use it for this code panel to get to the second room. And just know the code, I will use it. So it turns to green, the door to the next room opens, and we get to the doctor's room. So there are like different atmosphere in that room, and there are also a few puzzles. I will turn off our ventilator so it won't disturb us. So there are a few puzzles here. The first puzzle we get from the info from the doctor's desk that doctor was planning to visit 3 European cities, and so it is London, Stockholm and Madrid. So, and we have such small flags, you could see. We just have to put them onto these right places, Stockholm, London and Madrid. Yes. Everything's right. Yeah, and so lock from I don't remember, desk or table, just unlocked. So we get to the next puzzle. Next puzzle is just kind of an imitation. So this desk imitating shelf, and this just is an imitation of a book. So this small magnet goes installed to just simple book, and in this puzzle we just need to put the books onto the right places. So there are 3 books in the right order. So there are just 2 of them, and I will put the 3rd one. Our next lock opens. One more imitation. You will see it on the video here. There is a sensor here, and they got the info that politicians always close their eyes on some bad things, and in that exact demonstration we've got like 3 portraits on the wall, and there are physicists, Freud, psychologist, and Stalin. Stalin is a politician. So for your escape room you could use Nixon or someone else, whatever you want. So one of them, just one, is a politician, and players got the info that they should close his eyes. And after they close his eyes, the lock opens, and actually this lock is the nearer portrait is opens, and there are safe hidden there. So the same thing, the players get some parts of the code, and they get the code for that safe. I will not use it now. So, and the final thing, that after they just try to open it, after a while you will hear the alarm started, because our patients got to the safe of the doctor. That's not a quite good thing for the asylum. So, and the players have not so much time to get out, and from that safe they got this card. This is a doctor's card. So they just need to put it on the right place on the wall for that sensor and get out. So at the moment our lock opened. Final soundtrack. We could use any soundtrack you want. So we just finished our escape room. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.